Hi, I'm Sarah Crum with RCI Builders. Welcome to our Elliott. This is our newest first floor owner's bedroom plan. The Elliott features 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Don't forget to check out the butler's pantry located just off of the kitchen and the first floor study. The family room features 12-foot coffered ceilings with built-in bookcases surrounding the gas fireplace. The luxury owner suite features his and her closets with a spacious bathroom featuring a freestanding tub and an oversized ceramic tile shower. The Elliott features a front and rear covered porch with a back patio for ample entertaining space. Don't forget to come see us at Hickory Hill to tour the Elliott.